How's it going? Who? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
De-escalate the problem.
That's okay. That's okay. We'll figure it out, man. What's your name?
Jesse Ray Alanis.
Jesse Realanis. Maggie, can we get you with him?
My father.
Hang on. Cool. Jesse, you're okay. Stay right here. Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police. Kingsville Police. Where's the other person at? Who else is here? Who else?
It's just me, the baby, and
him? Are you hurt?
I am.
Where
He
at?
hit me before I even stabbed him.
That's okay.
Okay, can I get off of the phone now?
Yeah, please. Go ahead and hang up. Go ahead and
Okay,
hang
thank
up.
you.
You're okay.
Okay, so obviously,
Subject
yes.
is we are code 4 at this time. We're going to be dealing with the male subject who has injuries to him.
Obviously, yes, we've been drinking.
That's okay.
Right? Okay, yes, whatever. We're grown. Whatever, fine.
It's okay.
Yes.
You have a light?
Right there. It's gonna be the second.
You guys send to him and I'll tend to her.
On September 29th, 2025, Kingsville Police responded to a domestic violence stabbing. This analysis examines the constitutional and tactical decisions that followed. When officers arrive, they face conflicting accounts. A male subject claims he was attacked, while the female subject reports being stabbed multiple times.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so what happened was,
Thanks, Emma.
all my faces, he started slapping me. I lost hearing in my ear. Started ringing. I was literally making wings. I was sitting down eating. He came up to me and he was like, you know, the baby's hungry, make him a bottle. So.
It's okay, you're good. Can I reach in and just grab your wallet for your ID?
Everything.
Thank you.
Phone's right here.
Keep that like this, okay? Just until medics get here.
Who all is in the apartment with you, man? Just you and your girlfriend or wife?
Yes, and honestly, her cousin just left because she told her to leave.
She was in that car?
Yes.
Yeah, I
The
didn't
one
want
that
that car to
yes,
leave.
yes,
I was
sir.
gonna block it,
The
but I
one
know
that
I
just
needed it
left.
clear.
Yes, sir.
But
What kind of car was it?
it was like a
Volkswagen or
SUV.
something?
Chevrolet.
And so,
Whose family was that? Whose family was that?
so where the argument started?
Hey, tell her if she could tell her just to come back and stay in the parking lot.
Are the relationships that? You have a small cup, let me see right here. How to put this in right here. Let me get it real quick. Hold it with the other hand. Hold up the.
I was trying to protect
Yeah,
myself.
hold that and then give me this hand real quick. There you go. And you what again?
I was trying to protect myself. Holding my hand up
He
here.
has to go to school.
Okay, give me a second, man.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Holding my hands up, and she was like I said, look, like she was trying to fucking like literally,
Yeah.
like honestly Chucky style, like
Yeah.
you know what I mean.
And so the arguments, I mean,
I cheated.
had
I
y'all been
cheated.
arguing since last night?
I cheated.
Or
Yes,
it
honestly.
started last night.
Yes,
it's
it
okay.
escalated. Yes,
And
ma'am.
over to the
Yes, ma'am.
morning, and so both of you are
Yes.
just going back and forth about you having
And she-
an affair. Okay.
What kind of knife was it, man?
It was
Yeah,
I honestly didn't check, but I could have sworn
Is it like
it
a
was
kitchen knife or
yes.
is it a pocket knife?
kitchen knife.
Okay.
But like
kitchen
a
knife.
butter knife or like a steak
I'm not
knife?
too sure, boss. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
Where did it all start off, in the kitchen or the bedroom?
But
Bedroom.
because she grabbed it, and she started going off.
And so last night, when how did y'all finally stop? Y'all just put her to bed, or just
But I tried putting my son to sleep, and she came in. She was like,
she started arguing with you
Yes.
about you having
About
an affair?
the-
Did she just find out about it, or she knew about it already for a while? Okay. Do you have family here, or anybody else for the baby or
I'm
anything?
here, just my baby.
You-
I'm just trying to
now,
make sure he's safe. I don't want
Yeah. Do you have family for the baby? Like if,
for the baby.
yeah,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
like you have a mom, sister,
yes.
brother,
Mom, I mean,
medics on location? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
And we'll come to that
if
one.
you want to up against the wall, dude, you
Yeah.
can.
No, I'm okay.
You don't feel
Well-
woozy or kind of just
No,
lean
I'm
against the wall for now, and
I'm
then
gonna
they'll
get him.
get
I'm
you.
gonna get him out real quick.
Yeah, no, for sure, because he's got a good one. Okay, yeah.
But you feel okay right now?
Because the ambulance
You don't feel lightheaded or anything, man?
I'm honestly really fucking emotionally hurt.
No, I got you. I got you, man. They're gonna come check you out right now.
That's all I care about.
Okay.
It's okay, you're good.
Thank you. I said, you make him a bottle, because I told him. He started fighting with me before. He put his hands on me. He dragged me in front of my daughter. And I had her leave with the family member. So I didn't want her no part in this. So she heard everything. I'm sorry. Can I sit down?
Yes, please. Yeah,
My
grab a
head
seat,
is
ma'am.
so dizzy.
That's okay, man. Go ahead.
Um,
You're okay.
so he came over here
Real quick.
and he was
Real quick,
like,
ready? My name is Daniel. What's yours?
Darian.
Say it again.
Darian.
Darian. What's your last name, Darian?
Great thought.
also here in the apartment.
Cool. Okay. So go ahead. Finish telling me.
Okay. So started off whatever. A song had came on and it was talking about like an Asian female, whatever. And I said Asian persuasion. That's what I said.
Yeah.
And he was like, "Well, how do you know about that? Whatever." So I went on the porn site, whatever, and I showed him. Okay, whatever.
Okay.
So, and he was like, "Oh yeah, whatever, whatever." Well, he started talking shit, and then he dragged me.
Where's the knife?
I don't know.
And which one is it? Do you know?
I can walk you around the house.
We'll do that here in a second. Where's it at?
It's a butter knife.
A butter knife?
Yeah, it's a butter knife. Like I said, I was putting wings.
Got it.
I had taken all out.
Okay, so then go ahead. You took him to the porn site.
You
You
know,
showed
I
it
told
to
him
him?
about that, whatever. So he dragged me around, whatever, and we started talking, and then I walked out of the room.
When you say he drug you around, what do you mean?
I have knots in my head
Okay.
by my hair, like
So he grabbed you by the hair.
he was dragging me around, yeah, slapping me around.
Open hand, or was he
Open hand.
punching?
No, no punching, open hand.
Open hand. Okay. Did it hurt when any of that was happening? I gotta ask.
Yes,
You
it
don't
did.
have to ask.
He's a grown man.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then?
Well, like I said, he came over here, he came picking at me, whatever. It had already been way past the discussion, you know? When he came over here, he was picking at me, I was eating, and he was like, you know, whatever. And I told him, I said, you know what, just sign your rights over. I don't want to deal with this. Like, you're being ugly, I don't want to deal with this shit. Like, I don't. And he was like, yeah, for real. He was like, you know what, whatever, like, just talking shit. Well, I went to the room. I said, you know what, because he locked himself in the room to lay down on the bed. So I unlocked the door with a butter knife. I was using that knife for the wings, whatever, for the butter. Well, I used that knife to unlock the door. And I held the knife in my hand because he's been violent all night. Didn't do nothing. Didn't, you know, whatever. Then he slapped me. I lost hearing in my ear. So it just came, like, self-defense,
I'm listening.
you know? So I used the knife, and he kept coming at me, hitting me, like, I don't know.
When you say you used the knife, how'd you use the knife? Where'd you cut him, or what happened?
Wherever, I was just swinging it because
Okay. To get him off.
that was
you?
the only way to defend myself.
Okay. I completely understand. That makes perfect sense to me. Okay, and I see you have marks all over you.
And I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to hurt him. That was never my intention. But he's putting his hands on me, and I have a baby here. I had my daughter here. Like, what do I do? I don't know what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, I don't know.
You're okay. You're okay. Darian, right?
I was just trying my best to keep my calm. And I know, like, we've been in the past, like, violence, like domestic violence, whatever, and it's been a long time, you know. So I thought things were okay, and like I said, like, and it wasn't even like, I can show you on my phone. The other day, he literally choked me out. I didn't call the cops.
One second.
Downstairs.
Yes.
Just let you know.
Yeah, that works.
I literally choked him out because, I mean, I took pictures because he choked me out, and
When
I went
did
to
that
his
happen?
house. Can I grab my phone? I will show you. I have pictures.
No, I understand. Yeah, it was the other day.
And
It
this
wasn't.
yesterday or the day before yesterday. I can't remember.
That's okay.
I went to his house. I was drinking. He said that I went over there and I started choking him. I don't remember. I was drunk. I'm not gonna lie, you know. So I went over there. I was acting crazy, and he did. Like, he swung me around. He choked me out. I have pictures. Like,
I can see you have marks right now
yeah,
on your
still,
neck. I can see
I
that.
had.
You have
Look
fresh
at my
marks on your
foot. I
head.
have a bruise on my foot from whenever, you know,
see.
like.
Yes, ma'am.
And still, like, I still took him back, thinking, okay, you know, we're fine, okay, whatever, like, and no. And, like, I told him, sign over your rights. Like, this is going to be your last night seeing your son. I'm not going to do this with you. I have other kids. My daughter was here. Like I said, I sent her with a family member. I don't want her involved in any of this issue. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. That was from the other night.
That's okay. Yeah. Let me see the other side.
But mainly, he was just, like I said, from dragging me around for my hair. He slapped me 2 or 3 times in my face. I lost hearing.
Yeah, you're swollen on this side right here. This side of your face is swollen
Yeah.
right here by your eye. You actually have a big red mark on your eyeball. I can see marks all over you, Ma. I see it 100%.
And like I said, I was just trying to defend myself. That's not what I wanted to do. And I do, like, I love him. Obviously, like, I wouldn't keep going back, but I'm, compared to him, what could I do?
Yep.
So I had that in my hand. Like I said, I unlocked the door. I was making wings. I used the butter knife for the butter for the.
What was your reason for going into that room?
I was telling him to leave.
Oh, okay,
I was
okay.
telling him to get out of here, and then
Got it.
he swung me around
So
with
he
my
doesn't
hair.
live here?
And he doesn't live here.
Okay.
He lives at
Yep.
not Apple Creek,
Mhm.
but the Bordeaux Apartments. I think that's what it's called.
Okay.
He's a bedroom for
Bordeaux or Apple Creek.
It's the Bordeaux.
The
not
Bordeaux?
These blue ones. The
Okay.
ones.
So
next-
he has his own apartment.
Yeah, he does.
Okay. I got you. And you just wanted him to leave.
I genuinely wanted him to leave because he had already done what he did before. Didn't make a big deal, whatever. He came over here. He wanted me to make him a bottle. I said I wasn't gonna make him a bottle. Like I said, so enjoy your time with him right now. You do what you gotta do. And he went into the room, and I was like, you know what? No, like just get out of the house. Just leave. He locked the door on purpose. Like literally, he set this up. He knew I was gonna react the way that I was gonna react. And that's how it ended out. Like, this is what he wanted.
Okay.
That's literally how I feel. And after him beating my ass consecutively, now he calls the cops.
So he
Because
called 911 for this?
He did, because obviously, like, I used whatever I had in my hand, you know what I mean? So,
Yep.
I get it. But he's been doing this. Like I said, I can show you the pictures in my phone where he choked me, and I have marks on my neck.
I got it. Do you want to be seen by medics right now?
I mean,
You're
yeah.
pretty swollen. Okay. Yeah, please.
Okay. Is
No.
this your baby too?
No,
Yeah, this is my baby.
Okay.
no lacerations. He had been beaten on her throughout the night and into the morning time.
Okay.
So that's what we have here.
I would say no, but I mean, ask her. I guess he was requesting if the baby could go with him. I didn't know.
Go with who?
The dad. And, yeah, that's all I
That,
can say.
tell me, the man bleeding?
Yeah, but he's
Okay.
in.
Yeah, he's not even free to go yet. Yeah.
Okay.
No.
That's what I'm saying. Like, he started all of this.
I understand. I got one side. I'll get the other
If
one.
you want, and I'll stand by. If you want. You want
Yeah.
to
No.
talk to the outside, or-
I'm gonna talk to you outside also. But yeah, we will check out first, please,
Yeah, absolutely.
and see what happens there, so we can get.
Yeah, I'm looking for.
So he dragged
We'll
me
have her
in.
walk us around because she knows where it's at more or less.
I have bumps on my head.
She knows what Tony was. Once she gets checked out, right now everything's slowing down. There's more detail on this side. So
Just real quick, the lady here said that she watched the baby. I don't know if y'all want to keep getting with her, if you want her to get the baby right now.
cool.
The neighbor says she usually won't. I'm
Yes.
familiar with the
You want her?
neighbor.
Let me
Yeah,
talk.
but give us 1 second before we bring anybody else in.
I
Real quick.
was going to tell you about that too.
So you can come over here if you want to listen to the details. So what we have so far is he doesn't live here. That's baby daddy, baby mama. We're trying to work things out. And last night, of course, he comes over and they're drinking. They're both under the influence, and she makes some comments, some
He cheated on her.
funny sexual comments, like what she told me was like Asian persuasion shit. He gets all pissed off. He's like, what does that mean? What does that mean? So she shows him a porn site or whatever the case is, and next thing you know, whack, he just starts beating on her. So he starts slapping with an open hand, she said. Grabs her by the hair. She's knotted up on her head, and it's just taking her throughout the house, just whooping on her. She has marks all over her. Her face right now, she has a huge mark right here where you can see. That one actually looks like a punch mark. She's saying open hand. But her face is just real swollen right in here. So then, this is now, it goes into the morning time, and she's like, you know what? This is the last time you're going to see your son. Like, you spend time with him right now, because that's the last bottle you're going to make. Make that bottle for him. I'm not going to make shit. He goes into a bedroom, locks himself in there. She gets a butter knife. She goes to unlock. She unlocks the door with a butter knife. When she does that, he comes out.
Are y'all gonna want to talk to him?
Yes, yeah, he's definitely not free to leave.
We'll be right there.
I'm gonna see what my medic wants to do with her. I'd recommend that she goes because she has some hematomas to her head
Yep.
and stuff,
Correct.
some bruising to the face.
We're gonna need some good pictures of her.
Yeah.
But with the kid, I don't know how.
Neighbor's gonna take care. Don't worry about
We'll
that.
take care of that.
Yeah.
That'll be on us. Yep. So, anyways, long story short is she opens up unlocks the door, opens it. That dude comes over here. What are you gonna do with that? Fuck! Pops her right in the ear. She goes, I can't hear anymore. She goes, so he wants to slap me around again and get me. So I just started swinging whatever I had in my hand, which is a butter knife. I just started swinging it around to get him away from me. And then, of course, she cuts him, and then he calls 911. So that's the story that we have right now.
On her.
You know, now they're both intoxicated.
Right here,
Okay.
and I think he has one back here. I don't know if y'all saw that one.
I didn't see what he had.
He has one in the back.
You got good pictures on him?
Yeah. I took the
Front
cut
and
on
back?
his face, front. I need back, but they were
Okay.
already trying to take him. I took side. He has a small cut on his hand.
Okay.
Whether it's he reached to try to take it from her, so he has a cut on there. You could see him, and so then he's saying that that they were arguing since last night, and that hold on real quick. So they were arguing.
That's
They were
okay.
arguing since last night, and that it started in again this morning, and then that he was with the baby. He was either trying to put the baby to bed or something like that. He did admit that it was about him cheating. That's what they were arguing
Okay,
about. He says,
cool.
I cheated on her. He says, we've just been arguing about it. So
Okay, so she didn't mention that, but anyways,
Yeah,
that's even besides the
correct.
point. All right, so cool. So let's keep one officer with him. That way he doesn't take off, depending on the injuries, depending on what.
yeah, I don't think honestly they didn't look because I thought he was gonna
Yeah.
be like gushing. It's like a
Go get the pictures of the back of his head.
okay,
And
I get it.
for you,
the knife.
do you have your iPad?
Yeah, I can get it.
Okay, you know what?
I have I don't have my work phone. It's downstairs.
Yeah, I was gonna say my work phone's
I'll
down.
get it.
You'll get your iPad. We'll start taking a picture of the scene and take a picture of her.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
So he'll get his iPad. That way, just keep it all on one.
Dan, did you want to ask what the baby
Yeah, we'll do that.
Ask her first.
Yep.
She said, sure, anybody have
Hey, Darren.
everything planned?
Darren. Hey, your neighbor said she can watch the baby. You okay with that?
My neighbor right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You okay with that?
It's fine.
Yes. That is fine.
Her, I do check 'cause I
That's
just
okay.
didn't want to bother you.
Under Graham v. Connor, officers must split second judgments about who poses the greater threat, a determination that carries legal weight. The officers immediately separate the parties. This prevents witness contamination and satisfies the requirement to identify the primary aggressor. Notice the female subject's injuries are visible on camera. This contemporaneous documentation becomes critical if she later recants her statement. Both subjects make voluntary statements without Miranda warnings. This is lawful. Miranda only applies to custodial interrogation, not spontaneous declarations. The legal issue here is aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, purposely causing bodily injury with an instrument capable of causing death or serious harm. A kitchen knife used to stab another person meets every jurisdiction's definition of a deadly weapon, regardless of blade length. The domestic relationship triggers enhanced penalties. Most states impose mandatory arrest provisions when violence occurs between intimate partners. Officers must now locate the weapon. Without it, prosecutors face a he said, she said case with only injury evidence and conflicting statements. Here's where constitutional law becomes critical. To search the apartment, officers need either a warrant, consent, or exigent circumstances. The emergency aid exception under Michigan v. Fisher allowed initial entry, but systematically searching for evidence requires more. Watch this consent procedure carefully. The officer explicitly tells the subject she has a choice. This is constitutionally required. When she expresses discomfort, the officer doesn't pressure her. He validates her feelings and clarifies she's the victim, not a suspect. This is textbook Fourth Amendment compliance. Consent must be voluntary, knowing, and intelligent, free from coercion or deception. Her statement, "That's fine," constitutes clear affirmative consent. A court will uphold any evidence discovered during this search. The search methodology matters too. Officers divide the space systematically, preventing duplication while ensuring thorough coverage. Despite extensive searching, the knife isn't located. This suggests either effective concealment or removal from the immediate area. Without the weapon, prosecutors must rely on witness testimony, injury documentation, and this body cam footage to prove the assault. The presence of an infant raises additional concerns. Many jurisdictions charge child endangerment when violence occurs in a child's presence.
And a couple couple other things that want to be checked out. She's probably going to be
Darren,
transported. There's also
we're gonna need to get some pictures of you, okay?
That's fine.
in the apartment. So I'm going to have to come with one of those.
I think they're waiting for the neighbor to take the baby.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Is it okay if I get his diaper bag ready?
Yeah.
All right. So I have another medic unit on the way. I'm going to check you out real quick. They're going to get here and they're going to take you to the hospital, okay? Can you go make arrangements for the baby?
He's gonna go with the neighbor. I just need to get his diaper ready.
Okay, go ahead and do that.
Come on. If you can do one thing right now, the only thing we need right now, and we'll get everything else here in a little bit. If you'll just get the baby with you, just get the baby comfortable over there. We'll get a diaper bag, food, all that here in a bit, okay?
Okay.
All right.
How long is she gonna be?
How long that hospital takes?
Good question. Yeah. So,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Please and thank you.
It's so fucking embarrassing.
It happens.
No, but like it shouldn't. It shouldn't.
It's okay, Mom. We know that. You know we're here to help you. Okay? Hey, with the door closed so you can get apartment 806, or you already got that?
I got 806.
All right, cool.
Mama, do you have a driver's license?
It's on the table or in my restroom. It's somewhere. I don't know.
Okay, because then I can just scan the bag or I can just ask you your information. Okay? You can do either one.
What is that? It doesn't look like blood. It almost looked like a blood splatter, but
When he came
dry.
over here, the baby was about
see that?
Yeah, because look, this guy right here too. Look. Yeah,
The
it's like
flakes.
flake.
What is that? Blood's not gonna flake up like that. It's gonna dry up real hard.
Yeah.
That's not blood. Hey, Mom. So where did this happen at? You wanna stand up with me?
Yeah.
You okay?
I just felt a little dizzy.
Okay. So, hey, real quick, let's work on photographs with her, David. Before they start taking it.
He put the baby in here.
Hold on, whole body, and then we'll zoom in on. Look straight into the camera so we can get a good. Is the lighting okay?
Yeah, it works.
Turn that way. Can you see this right here, right behind her ear? Zoom out.
And then on this other side,
Hold
you'll be
on.
able to see bruising from the other night too,
And
as
then
well.
lift your neck up. Okay. Under
From
there,
the other night.
and then. Blood on her chest right here, marks on her chest. And then the blood right here on her bust and stomach area. Zoom out. Look, let me see. There you go, like that. Alright, so
And then just your hands.
we'll do her arm. You already got. So, rotate your arms.
Medic one, Charlotte. Can you bring that airway back, please?
No, there's like a shadow. It's like a weird shadow.
You can step out here. We're
Yeah. You have a flash on there. Put the flash on.
And when you turn backward.
All right. We got photos of the scene. There was a baby here also.
Because they're wanting to take him to the hospital already.
He's gonna go to the hospital.
Yeah. It's superficial.
That's okay. That's
yeah,
okay.
I get it, but I mean.
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
gonna
Let
be-
them take him to the hospital.
So
That's
follow the
okay.
ambulance. He's being compliant. He doesn't know yet that he's 95.
It's gonna be a hospital trip for him. He's going to the hospital. He's going to the hospital. Yeah. So we can write it up right now.
Okay.
We can write it up, but the charge will be on him for ag assault.
Okay.
Ag assault for the beating.
Yeah.
She's pretty banged up.
Oh yeah, for sure. I saw a little bit, but I was
And
listening.
no charges on her on that side.
Okay.
Because that's an act of self-defense.
And so, what do you want me to tell the guys because they're following the ambulance? Or Alaman rode with the ambulance to the hospital.
Did he?
Yeah. I know it was a little too late because the ambulance wanted to leave.
That's okay. That's okay. We can call him on the phone and we can just tell him. You have his number?
Yeah, for Alaman?
Yeah.
And so just tell him that we're going to write it up, him being the aggressor.
Unless they're gonna sit with him.
I don't.
But we'll ask. We'll ask. Okay. Nothing yet? On the butter knife? It's okay, Mom. We'll look for the knife. Are you still looking for baby stuff?
No, well, that was the first thing that I was looking for was the knife. 'Cause
No, don't worry about the knife. We'll handle the knife, okay? Yo.
If you want, at a month, put them over there. We'll see how long it's going to take, and if you want, we can.
Yes.
Okay.
If
We'll
dude, that's perfect because we could 95 for ag assault.
okay. Then we'll be
Family,
there.
yeah, family
Okay.
violence.
Okay.
Thank you so much, man.
All right, Dad.
I honestly don't know. I'm gonna go wash this bottle.
Okay, so I'll tell you what, washing and all that stuff, she can take care of all that, okay? She can take care of it. Right now what's important to us is that you get the baby stuff together and that we find this knife, okay?
I honestly don't know.
That's okay, we're gonna look for it. We'll help you and we're gonna be the ones looking for it, okay?
I have to use the restroom.
Yeah, where's the restroom at?
It's right here.
Alright, real quick, may I go in there just to make sure the knife's not in there before you...
That's fine.
It's okay. Thank you. What color is the butter knife?
It's a silver, just regular.
Silver?
Regular.
Go ahead, man. I'm going to use the
Didn't go
restroom.
in the sink or anything like that?
I honestly don't remember. Everything happened so fast. I don't remember.
That's okay. You can use the restroom. We'll be searching in here for the knife. What you got?
In case it's superficial and they couldn't use it, I'm gonna start the booking sheet. And so he's gonna get 95. So I'm gonna start the booking sheet just by chance if they're gonna ask how long it's gonna take at the hospital. So if he's not there too long,
95.
yeah, Alamana's sitting there for now. So if they're gonna ask how long it's gonna take, if it's not gonna take too long, then he's getting 95. So it's aggravated assault, family violence, the weapon. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. For him, it's aggravated assault, serious bodily injury.
On her.
Yes,
correct.
on her.
She's the one that had the.
Yeah, she was defending herself, correct. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
You have gloves on you?
There's some on that couch, fuck you.
Okay, thank you. I'll go get them. He's got some right here.
There's some on the couch.
Got it.
I'm gonna start that booking.
Thank you. Real quick, we're not charging you with a crime, by the way. Okay? You're not being charged with a crime.
Well, I just want y'all to know.
Listen to me.
I'm
Go
not
ahead.
hiding anything. I've been completely honest.
Yes, ma'am.
I honestly don't. Like I said, everything happens so fast.
That's okay.
I don't know what.
That's okay, ma. We're not charging you with a crime, okay?
I just.
My thing is we will be placing him under arrest. Okay? I just want you to know that.
And that's not what I wanted either.
I know
but
that. I know that. But nobody has the rights to put their hand on you. That's not fair. That's not fair to you. That's not fair to your baby. Okay? This is for the child, right? Anything else for the baby?
I need to get his water.
Okay. Here, let's just set this right. Let's just set this down for a second. Right here. That way you can do your thing. Were y'all in this room by any chance?
No.
Okay.
We weren't in this room. Not in there. Not in that restroom.
Okay.
Just here when I unlocked the door. He was laying on the bed.
Right.
I just pulled the blanket off of him. I told him, get out. Go home. Like I said, he has his own place.
Right, I remember that.
I said something and he got upset. So that's whenever everything happened. And I never let the knife go. So like I said, he swung me around. So I was just trying to defend myself.
I know.
I didn't know what else to do.
You're okay. You're okay, Mom.
But it's not okay. That's not okay.
Listen to me. The entire situation is not okay.
I know it's not.
But the important thing is that you're okay.
my baby's carrying and I have to leave with my neighbor.
Right.
And for what? For what? I don't understand.
I know. Listen. But what I do need is I do need your consent. I need your consent to search for this knife throughout your residence to make sure that we find this knife. Okay.
I honestly don't even feel comfortable with everybody being in my home.
I understand
to be honest,
that too.
I don't. That's not what
This
I
is your
wanted.
home, exactly right.
And I don't feel comfortable with that. I don't. That's why I'm sitting here. I'm trying to help you. I don't know.
That's okay. May I continue searching for the knife?
I mean, I don't really have any other choice.
You always have a choice. That's why it's a question for you. We want to make sure
I
that,
just
that
don't
we
want
take care
it
of
to
you.
be an issue on me. Like I said, I've been completely honest with you guys.
If you're thinking that we're looking for drugs, it's not the case.
No, I don't.
Okay. Yeah, so I can smell the weed in the bathroom.
But like I said,
and we're not worried about that right now. That's the least of our worries.
that's never my concern.
And right now, you're not being charged. You are not a suspect in a crime. As a matter of fact, right now you're the victim. Okay, that's
I'm
all right.
just upset.
Of course you are. I would be too.
Look at my house. It's dirty. Y'all are in here.
Dirty has nothing to do with it.
Everything.
We don't judge. Okay, we're all human. May I continue searching for the knife?
That's fine.
Okay.
Officers properly coordinate child welfare ensuring the baby has appropriate supervision before either parent is transported. The male subject's admission of infidelity establishes motive but provides zero legal justification for assault under any state's law. Provocation defenses are extremely narrow and never apply to verbal arguments or relationship conflicts, regardless of emotional impact. The officers maintain professional demeanor throughout, using de-escalation techniques to keep both highly emotional subjects cooperative. This matters legally. Cooperative subjects provide more complete statements, consent to searches, and are less likely to file complaints. The decision to transport parties separately follows mandatory safety protocols in domestic violence cases across all jurisdictions. Evaluating the officers, they receive an A-. Constitutional compliance was excellent, particularly the consent to search procedure. They properly separated parties, documented injuries on camera, coordinated medical care, and ensured child welfare, all required protocols. The minor deduction reflects the unsuccessful weapon search, though this appears to be concealment rather than search deficiency. The female subject receives a B+. She called police, cooperated fully, and provided detailed statements that establish assault elements. Her consent to search was properly given after initial hesitation, exactly how Fourth Amendment protections should function in practice. The male subject receives a C. While cooperative, his admitted infidelity sparked the conflict, and his account contradicts the injury evidence. The department earns an A for clear protocols evident in officer performance, proper resource deployment, and trauma-informed response training. 3 critical lessons emerge from this case. First, consent to search requires explicit acknowledgement of the right to refuse. Second, bodycam footage preserves evidence that might otherwise disappear when victims recant or witnesses become uncooperative. Third, primary aggressor determination must consider injury severity, defensive wounds, and ongoing threat, not just who called police first. This case demonstrates why domestic violence response requires specialized training beyond basic law enforcement tactics. Officers must balance victim advocacy with constitutional protections while gathering evidence for prosecution that may proceed without victim cooperation. The legal framework here applies nationwide: aggravated assault statutes, domestic violence enhancements, and Fourth Amendment search requirements. What varies by jurisdiction are mandatory arrest policies, protective order procedures, and whether prosecutors can proceed over victim objection. This footage captures the reality of domestic violence response: complex, emotionally charged, and requiring both legal precision and human empathy. Share your analysis in the comments. This evaluation is educational only. Actual case outcomes depend on evidence beyond this footage. If this legal breakdown was valuable, subscribe for more analysis. Thank you for watching.
You want to keep getting your baby stuff? That's fine. We'll be in here. Okay? If something else comes to mind, then just let us know. But the entire assault took place in here, right? With that knife?
From unlocking the door to everything happening,
in here.
him being on the bed, him throwing me over there. That's why I said the first thing I was assuming it would have been on that side.
Okay.
That's where.
Yes, ma'am. That's where it ended up. Got it.
No, I think it ended right here.
Okay.
And when he called the cops, I don't remember what I did. I was walking around back and forth, like from here to that area.
Okay.
So that's whenever I decided to call the cops myself.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know what else to do.
You did the right thing. You did the right thing.
But it's either in here, in the dining area, or in the front area.
Okay. All right.
Because
This is a good starting point from here, and we'll move that direction.
yeah,
Okay.
basically.
Perfect. So I guess if you'll hit up that entire corner,
Yeah.
I'll hit up this entire section of the
So I
bed.
went through each one of these closed too, and I rung them out, and nothing.
All of this is already searched?
Oh well,
No, but this one bed.
yeah. This whole side
Okay,
right here.
even that.
Even this.
All right.
Because I pulled these from right here. This one.
Yep. All right. So nothing in here.
I'm thinking it's in that sink somewhere.
Well, there's that one butter knife. She goes, but if that would have been it, you would have seen blood on it. Not necessarily.
Yeah, because it could have been just.
Yep. If you want to go with the medics, and that way we can get you going and get you that help that you need. Okay.
Okay. I'm
All
gonna
right.
grab a sweater.
Hey, the other half is over there. If you'll let them know to,
Yeah, I'll let them know.
like, no eye shot, like keep them.
I'm gonna call him before we even get there, just to let him know to shut the curtains to his door and everything.
Yeah, and she's the victim. So,
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys, man.
You have a good one.
Yes, sir. Hello, ma'am. Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
Hey, so this door's gonna be left unlocked for right now.
Okay.
If you need anything for the baby,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Okay.
I don't know what kind of relationship you'll have if she allows
she's
you to
just
enter.
a neighbor, and I usually do help her watch the baby.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
like
if-
her too.
Yes, ma'am. If an emergency comes up,
Okay.
just know that this is unlocked.
Okay.
If you have her number, you might want to call her
Yeah,
before
she
you enter.
just gave it to me.
Okay, good deal.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
No
All
problem.
right, you have a great day.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.